Howdy! We are continuing our series with the Art Alternative 3-pack 1-inch profile 12 by 12-inch wooden panels, like this one right here. It's a very nice product. I like it. I like painting on wooden panels. They just seem a little more professional than some of the canvases. I do like the gallery wrapped canvases. Anything with like a 1.5-inch profile just seems much nicer to me than the standard 1/2-inch profile canvases, which seem to all come gallery wrapped anymore. I don't see too many with the staples along the side. But yeah, the wooden panels are nice and smooth. They don't have that canvas texture to them, which I think is nice. So anyways, we're gonna do another flip cup just like we did before with the same color scheme. What did I do? I did white and black and teal and phthalo blue and burnt sienna, and it was nice. The black was a little overpowering in my opinion. I'm going to use less black this time. All right, you ready? Let's do this. So I have my setup down here. Now last time I coated the panel, even though I said I wasn't going to. This time I'm not going to do it. I'm going to really not do it. For experimental sake, I'm going to not coat the panel and see if it makes a difference. Because, yeah. Alright, so we're starting with white. I'm not going to do as much white this time because I want to do layers of white. And then we have the phthalo blue, pouring carefully so it doesn't mix too much. Do more blue this time because last time it sort of, even though it stays on top of the cup, it seemed to sink in the final product. Teal. I'm going to do a little more white now. Then we will do burnt sienna. And a little more white. Get the black. Now watch me, I'm not going to put so much this time. I'm trying to convince myself, if you can't tell. Bloop. Just a touch. And more white. Maybe more of the burnt sienna. Okay. And again, for experiment's sake, we are not coating it this time. Ready for the flip. Whoa. Don't fall off that side. That's pretty. Don't want to smear that. I'm going to lose it anyway, aren't I? Maybe it'll do its thing. while I'm letting it settle, I'm going to go ahead and coat the sides, which I'm trying to be better at doing this while painting rather than dealing with it later, because it just makes sense to go ahead and assist it in running down while it's still liquidy rather than coating it later, right? There we go, now it's coming. It just needed something to draw it over. Ooh, I love that stripe right there. The black still took over though, good gracious. That is an issue. I think that in flip cup number 3 of this series, I'm going to eliminate the black altogether, because right now I really don't like that. And maybe it will tone itself down as the cells show up, but right now that's a problem. Okay, I have coated the sides. And it's sort of pretty. Is it? Is it? Let's tilt it that way. Although that's really pretty too. Ah! What do I do? It feels, let's talk. It feels a little inconsistent to me, like, but I like parts of all of it. So I think I might leave it alone and let it do its thing, and maybe I'll end up liking all of it together in the end, or maybe it'll just, the fact that it's inconsistent might make for an interesting piece with lots of different areas to focus on. As Picasso says, art is knowing when to stop. So I'm gonna stop. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. Don't like that there though. See, you can't stop. I like the colors together. And I feel like this area is lightening up a lot, especially with the cells, so I'm feeling good about where we're at. There's a really nice contrast right here. So even though the surface is overwhelmingly too muddy and black, the cells are showing a lot of vivid color from underneath, and I'm digging that. So I'm gonna let it be. I'm gonna let it be. I'll take you down and let you look at it up close. All right. Close up before it dries. I love the blue with the brown. I really dig this corner here too. This is where I swiped it over just so I wouldn't have to fight it flowing over the corner. And I like that little swipey area. I like swipes. It's a little inconsistent with the rest of it, but in an interesting way. I also love the colors going on in that little area. These cells have lots of layers, which is fun. This area is very black, and in the third installment of this wooden panel flip cup, I am going to do the exact same color combination without the black. No black, because it's taken over. Ooh, that's fun right there. I love it. I might end up loving the whole thing. I already do. It's nice. I dig it. All right, let's do the third one. Let me know what you think in the comments. Like and subscribe. Click the bell icon in order to get more notifications. And don't forget to check out my paintings and my merch like this shirt on hoelscherart.com. Bye. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Did you know I have an Instagram? I do. I update it daily. Lots of new posts on what I'm working on. New ideas and my most current projects. You can keep track of what I'm up to on there. So go and follow me. Check it out.